If someone you know, your children or someone in your family is struggling with a cough, congestion, this is just an awesome go-to recipe. This is called onion syrup, and you see me cutting up one full onion here. I'm going to chop it up, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar to that and make a syrup. This is great. We use onions for many things. I believe it was Posh Mama who recommended even onion water is awesome for any sort of respiratory illness, RSV, flu-like symptoms, and the list goes on. So, short story, my son came down with a cough. He's 2.5, and I was giving him a bunch of different herbs, and he was doing okay, but we needed a little bit more, and this stuff worked within 10 minutes. He was feeling better, and he was kind of back to himself. So I don't know, it's worth a try if you are kind of looking for some alternative. I gave him 1 teaspoon at a time, a couple hours, and every couple hours, and he did well. Follow for more.